Hey, I lied last time. I did find more time. And I made the other cabinets. So now what we have to do, build the toe kick that goes underneath, or the platform, and glue the cabinets together, which should be pretty quick to glue. Mostly cutting some more wood. So I guess we gotta get started. So we ripped down the pieces, down the size here, and now we gotta make some cross braces by cutting them. Let me show you. Okay, so on the ground here, because the tile job's kind of shit, we're not actually gonna go all the way to the wall with the base. It's gonna be a little bit shorter, but we're gonna ignore that issue and work around it. Kind of winging it here, I don't know. Let's go cut wood. Hey, you know, I understand why people wear this shit, but it's awful. Like, awful in a good way. Because, like, your lungs don't get full of shit, but it's awful to wear. We cut our wood down here, and we're gonna have 1 cross support, 2 cross support, 3, 4, and then 5 at the end, because the wood's not... I need 100 inches, but the sheet of plywood's only... 90, it's 8 feet, 96 inches, so it's a bit short, so we gotta do it in 2 sections. We're gonna have a bit of a double up here. Again, shuffle stuff around because I love doing that so much. Let's get to work. Okay, so I got 1 base cabinet here, but I'm not gonna screw it in yet until the other 2 are glued. So we need to do that first. Quick intermission, and then maybe, if we're lucky, make sure things are level, and then, I don't even know, this is going too well. Let's keep going though. Cabinets are glued. The 2 that weren't glued are glued. I wonder how level it is. Are you curious? I'm kind of curious. Let's find out. I mean, it's pretty good. I'll take that. How about this way? I mean, that's pretty reasonable with no shimming being done or any kind of tweaking. Floor is pretty level in here, and the tile level is half decent. Let's not talk about that gap in the back. I'm gonna wrap it up there for this vlog, figure out what I'm gonna do next. I don't know what to do next. Anyway, till next time, thanks for watching.